So I was just diving into this open source data catalog called Marmot, and it's designed for quick data discovery. Super intriguing.
Really, open source usually means less complexity, right? How does Marmot manage that?
Exactly, it ships as a single binary. No fancy setup, just deploy it in minutes. That's a game changer.
Wow, that's refreshing. Most data catalogs seem to drown you in configuration details. What else makes it stand out?
It has powerful search capabilities. You can use full text search combined with structured queries. Imagine the time saved.
That's impressive, but can it handle complex queries? Or is it more suited for simpler searches?
It handles complex queries well. It uses metadata filters and even Boolean logic. That's pretty robust for a straightforward tool.
That's a solid feature set. But I wonder, are there limitations on the types of data it can catalog?
Good point, it catalogs various assets like tables, APIs, and data pipelines, but I guess its strength lies in simplicity.
Right, simplifying can have trade-offs, but what about tracking data lineage? Is that covered?
Yes, it has interactive lineage visualizations. You can trace data flows and understand dependencies. That's crucial.
Interactive lineage. That's cool. It must help in identifying potential bottlenecks too.
Totally, you can even analyze the impact of changes before making them. It's like having a roadmap for your data.
That's quite a visual tool, but could it overwhelm users who aren't data savvy?
That's a fair concern. While it's user-friendly, some might struggle if they lack data knowledge.
Exactly. A tool is only as good as the user's understanding. What about team collaboration features?
Marmot allows assigning ownership and documenting context, which helps keep the team aligned. That's a big plus.
Nice. It sounds like it encourages knowledge sharing, but does it have a glossary feature?
Yes, it even includes glossaries for terms. It's like building a shared language around data assets.
That's smart, but I'm curious, how does it ensure the quality of the data being cataloged?
That's tricky. While it helps catalog, the quality checks have to come from the users. It's still a team effort.
Exactly. User engagement is key, but how does it handle integrations with other tools?
It offers flexible integrations via CLI, REST API, and even Terraform, so it fits right into existing workflows.
That sounds powerful. I guess it makes the transition smoother for teams adopting it.
Absolutely, and since it's lightweight, it doesn't drain resources. That's a bonus for teams.
But wait, is there a limit to scalability? Can it handle larger datasets without a hitch?
Great question. Its PostgreSQL backing suggests it can scale, but I wonder how it performs under heavy loads.
That's something to watch for. So, what's the best way for teams to get started with Marmot?
They have a quick start guide which is super helpful, plus there's a live demo to explore.
A demo is a great idea. It allows potential users to play around without commitment.
Exactly, and since it's open source, contributions are encouraged. That's the spirit of community.
Contributing can really enhance the tool. But are there any restrictions on those contributions?
I didn't see any hard restrictions, but they do have a contributing guide for best practices.
That's fair, it helps maintain quality. But what about long-term support for users?
That might be a concern. Open source projects can struggle with consistent support.
True, it's a double-edged sword, but the community can fill in those gaps if it's active.
Right, the community involvement could lead to faster improvements and more features.
That's an exciting prospect. But how do you see Marmot changing data management in the future?
Well, it could democratize data access, making it easier for teams to leverage their data assets.
That's a powerful vision, but we must consider how it tackles privacy issues and data governance.
Good point, balancing accessibility with security will be crucial as it grows.
Exactly. So it's not just about building tools, but also about fostering responsible practices.
Spot on, it's a fascinating journey ahead, and Marmot could play a pivotal role.
For sure, I can't wait to see how teams adapt and evolve with these tools.
Me too, it's all about how these innovations can empower data-driven decision-making.
Exactly. The future of data discovery is looking bright with tools like Marmot paving the way.
And who knows what other innovations are lurking just around the corner? Exciting times.
Totally, let's keep an eye on how this all unfolds. There's so much potential.
Absolutely, I'm curious to see how user feedback shapes the evolution of Marmot.
That'll be the real test. The user community will define its success and longevity.
Exactly, it's a continuous cycle of improvement and engagement, so much to look forward to.
For sure, it's fascinating how data can connect us all in new ways.
Right? It's all about unlocking insights and making informed decisions together.